Hey guys, I'm Sam. I'm just your average dirt bike rider. Welcome to Grit Motorsports. Hey, so tonight we are going to go for a ride. Kind of got a decent sized group going on. We are going to go back up to the plateau, just on Dave Wood Road. The last few rides have been up Highway 90 way up there. It's a rough washboarded road, so I'm pretty excited that we are staying close. Whew. That thing is looking clean. Got it all shined up. And a pretty solid collection of stickers. Also, just like to give a shout out to Morgan at Highland Cycles. He's letting me borrow his Dango Designs chin mount for my GoPro. So we're gonna see how that works. The one I have right now has straps on it, and it kind of sucks to be able to do any sort of vlogging, handing it around to maybe clip onto some other people's helmets. It's just not very convenient. So yeah, gonna give this thing a try. Excited to try it, use it for a little while, and then probably buy one of my own. See you guys up on the plateau. All right guys, we are on our way up to the plateau. Just wanted to give a quick shout out. I've been drinking this excess energy here lately, and no, this is not a paid promotion or anything like that. My friend Josh is a rep for them and told me about it, and I like it. It's they use B vitamins and caffeine to kind of give you the same effect that an energy drink would. Technically it is an energy drink, but it's not, doesn't have all the crap that Red Bull and Monster and all those have, and it doesn't have the side effects. Now I love Red Bull, especially for their marketing and their sports and all that, but their energy drink, when I have it, I definitely crash, and I definitely just kind of get this weird feeling while I'm drinking it, whether it's sugar-free or the regular. I just kind of feel jittery and odd, more than normal. With this, I've been drinking these for probably a month or two now. I'm working 3 jobs. I mow lawns on Wednesdays, that's one of them, and so on those days I've been taking one of these XS's with me, and it's a great just midday boost. I've also been drinking them for these rides whenever we're going and taking the bikes out, and it's awesome. It just doesn't feel like it's different. But what I would do, if I were you, I would give them a shot. You can look them up online. I'll put a link to Josh's info so that you can get a hold of him. You can't get these in stores. It's just through a distributor, but they're pretty incredible. And so I just wanted to share something that has worked for me, so that hopefully if you guys are looking for an alternative to energy drinks and even coffee in the middle of the day. I mean, I know having some blue collar background, what it's like to be able to go scoop up a couple energy drinks a day from the grocery store, and these would definitely do you better. So XS is the brand. Check them out, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. All right, we're getting ready to go. We got Wyatt, Pennsylvania with us. Andrew, Zach. Hey, look, that's Morgan. All right. Wake her up here. Thank you. Yeah.
That could be fun. How'd that happen?
Well, there's a rock in the way.
Oh. The trail's up here.
I thought it turned.
Yeah.
I thought this was the way.
You alright?
Oh yeah. I'm good.
This is the best backing up bike I've ever seen.
It falls down really well too. Whew. Man,
They haven't cut that trail
I
yet.
thought it turned left there.
Nope.
Oh man,
Right on the big trail.
I think I caught a rock and it skipped me. Whew. Thanks guys.
Yeah, Morgan's got all that nice stuff on his suspension felt.
Alright, so here's what we got going on. We had I fell, you guys saw that. Now we have the rear three, Morgan, Tyler, and Tyler, have not made it here, and it's been about 30 minutes. We also we had Rich Pierce and Jeremy go back to check on them, and then Jeremy fell, just about degloved his finger. While we were waiting on that, we figured out that Otto on the Yamaha with the gray helmet has a rear flat tire. So it is a night of interesting stuff going on. We're just hoping and praying that everybody that didn't make it up here is okay and it's just bike problems. So, kind of interesting, this isn't that tough of a trail, but evidently it is the night for issues. So, keep you guys posted. Beautiful place that we're riding. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous up here on the plateau. It's dusty, but you just can't beat the aspens that we have up here and the overlooks. This is gorgeous, and we parked about 30 minutes from downtown Montrose, so pretty accessible, pretty stinking sweet. Definitely would recommend coming and riding, but this is a good example of ride with friends, because if this happens and you're by yourself, there's no cell phone service and it is a long walk. We rode 10 miles of road earlier just to get to the trailhead that we're on right now, so you can really get back in here. I just made another phone call. I was supposed to have a Zoom meeting tonight for one of my other jobs, and just called and left a message while I had service to let them know I may not be making it with all the stuff we got going on here. So I'm gonna play a little catch up here, but hopefully stay on the bike. little recap from this evening. Kind of a wild ride. I was the first one, so we were going and cruising, and I was on the bike that I don't normally ride, and I still had it at the standard settings. So I went ahead and at our first quick stop, jumped out, adjusted the rebound on the front forks to what I thought was slower, and come to find out I had actually turned it 3 clicks faster. So then we were going through the trail was pretty tight and narrow as far as the visibility, and we were kind of in an exposed spot. We came up on some rocks, and I hit the rocks, and instead of eating up some of the bump, the suspension rebounded and kind of shot me off to the side. And then when I was trying to hit the brakes, I kind of tried to grab the front brake, just last ditch effort to maybe stop my momentum, and it actually bounced me across from hitting the front brake, kind of across the trail. And then I went over the side, and you guys will have seen that in the video. But then it sounds like shortly after that, one of the Tylers, who was on an older Husky street legal, I can't remember what engine size, big bike, and he's a big dude, and he rides that thing really well, but I guess he had struggled on a couple of those real narrow rocky sections, understandably, and dumped it over a couple times and then couldn't get it to run. And so then other Tyler and Morgan ended up trying to tow him back. Heavy bike being towed by lighter bikes just doesn't really work all that great. And so it took them forever. So the rest of us were stopped waiting and waiting and waiting. And we sat there for about 30 minutes kind of going, okay, like 3 of those guys together, no one's come back, we should go back. So Jeremy and Rich Pierce decide, okay, we're gonna cruise back on the trail and see if we can find them. Well, then while they're cruising, Jeremy there was some like good sections of just rocks that were all different sizes where there's really not a clear line. And from my understanding, Jeremy took the wrong line and ended up on the ground, and somehow his fingers got caught. I don't know if it was in a rock, if it was between the bike and the rock, but just about degloved his pinky. And so, not to be too graphic, but he said he had to slide that back on a little bit. Dirt bikes are dangerous. So then he and Rich had to wrap him up, and then Jeremy made his way back to us slowly. Rich kept going down the trail to try to find Tyler, and Morgan, and they were not there. And so while we were doing all of that, we realized Otto had a flat tire in the rear, so he was going to have to baby it back. We tried to pump it, it didn't pump up, so he had a pinch tube somewhere. So it was just a wild night. So everybody got back to the truck safely. Tyler, that had bike problems, was riding his bike home, so I texted him, hopefully hear back from him soon that he made it okay. It sounds like they got his bike running, and he should be able to cruise back. But yeah, kind of a unique video. Tried to get some good scenic shots because it's gorgeous out here. I'll show you guys the sunset that we get out here in Montrose. Just incredible. So yeah, wild evening. Thanks for watching. This is part of dirt biking. You just have some nights where things don't go as planned. And honestly, we've had some really good riding this summer of minimal issues. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Hey Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you want to come out and ride the trails you see in the videos, go to grit-motorsports.com for more information. We also have the ability to rent these 2023 KTM 300XC TBIs. I know it's a mouthful. They're the baddest thing on the trail right now. They're super fun. That's what I'm usually riding in these videos. But come on out, you can get to desert adobe riding, and then a half hour later you can be up on the plateau in trees on awesome single track, and it's incredible. You can also bring the whole family out. We're an hour and a half away from the town of Telluride. We're 45 minutes away from Ure, which is the Switzerland of America. If you've never been there, come out and check it out. But plan a guys trip, rent these for a week, bring the family out, spend a day even, and then head on into the rest of Colorado. There's just so much to do out here. Yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.